Hello friends, now we have one more exercise using since or for. Now this is the simple present perfect continuous tense. Just like the present perfect tense, you can also use since and for with this tense. And you can see I have already told you, I think since is a definite point of time and for is just a period of time. You are not concerned about when the action started. But on the other hand, since, say it is from a particular point of time up to now. The other is a period of time up to now. I think it is very clear to you. Now you can see what I have done is, you can see pairs of sentences. The first one since, the second one for. So that you get that idea, why this is since, why this is for. Understand? And it's made very simple also. So I have made the exercise very simple for you, so that this idea, that get into your brain and you never forget this. Okay. So let's begin the first one. He has been working on that project. See, a definite point of time, 1999. So you have to use since. Okay. Next one you can see. He has been working on that project. See, only a period of time is given and therefore you have to use for. See, you can compare now. That's why I have given it in pairs. Why have we used the first sentence since? Why have we used the second sentence for? We can easily compare and find out. No? The same thing is repeated throughout. Third sentence is they have been living here since, because it is point of time. And the fourth is they have been living here for 5 years. See that? Next, it has been raining since 6 in the morning. Since. And it has been raining for 12 hours. See, I think now it is very clear to you, that is, since when do you use since with the perfect tenses and when do we use for with perfect tenses, right? Okay, now we begin. We have been playing last Monday, since last Monday, we have been playing chess for 3 days. Next one is we have been preparing for NEET since, because it is definite time, and we have been preparing for NEET for 2 years. Is that clear? This exercise will go deep into your mind and into your heart, into your brain, and into your whatever the way you understand things. Understand? So that is, one is definite point of time, the other is period of time. I have been longing to see my friends Christmas 2017. That is since, because it is definite point of time. I have been longing to see my friends for 2 years. Longing my friends for 2 years. For 2 years. I have been longing to see my friends for 2 years. Means one for is sorry, I have given the answers. For 2 years, the period. Next, I have been longing to see, etc. That's over. Have you been waiting here last Monday? What is that? See, point of time? Yes. So you have to say since. Waiting here since last Monday. Monday to meet me. Have you been waiting here since last Monday to meet me? Yes. And then, have you been waiting here for 2 days? For 2 days to meet me? See the difference between since and for again. And when have you been trying to solve this problem? Since when? Because not for when, but since when. Why? Because the answer is to be a definite point in the past. I think now that's very clear to you, no problem. So the same thing can be applied in the case of the present perfect tense also. Present perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense, they both behave in the same way as far as the finishing line is concerned, except that in present perfect continuous, you have one more aspect, two aspects. One is progressive, the other is perfect. But in the other one there is only one aspect, and that is perfect. Understand? You see, all these sentences can be converted into present perfect. Now you can see that he has worked on that project since 1999. He has worked on that project for many years. They have lived here since Easter 2014. They have lived here for 5 years. It has rained since 6 in the morning. It has rained for 12 hours. We have played chess since last Monday. We have played chess for 3 days. We have prepared for NEET since 2017. We have prepared for NEET for 2 years. I have longed to see my friends since Christmas 2017. I have longed to see my friend for 2 years. Have you waited here since last Monday to meet me? Have you waited here? Then have you waited here for 2 days to meet me? Then since when have you tried to solve this problem? Got the way? So you can change from present continuous, present perfect continuous to perfect, or the other way around. But anyhow, the time scheme remains the same. Present perfect tense, I would say again, once again I would say, don't worry about what has happened. Think about the finishing point. Whether the action is over by the time you report or by the time you say. Understand? I hope it is clear, very clear to you. So perhaps tomorrow we will do a mixed type of exercise. Say we'll have, for example, we'll have a revision for simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Understand? I think with that we will be able to say goodbye to time present, and then we will go to time past, where we have got tenses like simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous, and then afterwards future. So once you are thorough with the tense system of English, just become the masters, that's all. So what you should do is that you should try to produce as many sentences as possible. You take a simple sentence, I will show you one, then as an example, then see, a sentence like this, and then you rewrite in all possible ways. Questions, double-edged question, just one sentence you take in, and then it becomes easy for you. That is a very good exercise that you can do at home or with your friends or alone under a mango tree, sitting under a mango tree. Okay, so let's say like that. He sings songs. Simple present. Simple present. He is singing songs. Okay. Now, does he sing songs? He doesn't sing songs. Is he singing songs? He has sung songs. Has he sung songs? Then is he, we have done already. And then we have got the has he. He has been singing songs. Has he been singing songs? He hasn't been singing songs. He hasn't sung songs. What has he been doing? What does he do? What is he doing? What is he doing? Doesn't he sing songs? Like that. How many sentences? And now passive. Songs are present, sung by him. Songs are being sung by him. Songs have been sung by him. See that? Songs are sung by him. Songs are being sung by him. Songs have been sung by him. So 3 tenses passive. Now you want to make this question: are songs sung by him? Are songs being sung by him? Have songs been sung by him? Negative. Songs aren't sung by him. Songs aren't being sung by him. Songs haven't been sung by him. So this is what it is. So if you take just one sentence now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you have covered all the tenses and also all the transformations. Not only transforms, but you should also be thorough with the transformation. Transforming, changing the form. See, from this sentence you have got negative, you have got yes or no question, you have WH question, you have got passive. So I think more than 20, 30 sentences. Taking just one sentence in the present tense, simple present, you can produce or generate. It's a generating machine now. Machine for generating, your mind. See? So you can generate sentences like this. Suppose you take 5 sentences, 5 students, that is about 150 sentences. And different forms we can play with it. Jiggling with words also, just like you jiggle with the sentences. Try this. It will be a wonderful success for you. So, see you. For the time being, we will see again with some other exercise, and also an exercise like this I recommend for all the students of my virtual class. Bye.